In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Gmail account from phone. This might be something you're considering for various reasons, such as switching accounts or simply cleaning up your device. Let's dive into it and make sure you're doing it correctly and securely. First, open the Gmail app on your iPhone. If your phone is locked, unlock it and find the Gmail icon on your home screen. It usually looks like a small white envelope with a red M. Tap it to open. Now you'll be in your inbox, which is where we need to start. Next up, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll see your profile picture. It's usually a small circle with your picture or initials. Tap on this profile picture. This action brings up a menu with several options related to your account. With the menu open, you'll want to tap on Manage Accounts on this device. This option allows you to see all the accounts currently signed in on your device. It is important because it gives you control over which accounts are active and which are not. After that, you will need to click on Security or Sign In. This will take you to a section where you manage the security settings of your account. It's crucial to be here because this is where you can safely remove your account without leaving any traces. Now, look for the option that says Remove from where you signed in. This step is crucial because it ensures that your account is no longer accessible from this device. Once you find it, go ahead and select it. You're almost done. Finally, confirm the removal. A pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the account. Confirming this step is important because it finalizes the process. You might wonder why confirmation is needed. This is to prevent accidental removals, which can save you a lot of hassle later. At this point, your Gmail account should be successfully removed from your iPhone. You might not see any immediate differences, but rest assured, your account is no longer connected to this device. Remember, removing an account from your phone doesn't delete your Gmail account. It simply disconnects it from the device. You can always sign back in later if you change your mind. This understanding gives you peace of mind and flexibility. Now you can continue using your phone without worrying about the removed account. This process helps in managing your digital footprint and keeping your device organized. If you ever need to add the account again, you can do so by going back to the Gmail app and signing in as usual. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Thank you for watching and see you next time.